Hello friends, welcome back to Exams Made Easy. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss a recruitment notification that has been published by IISER. As you can see here on the screen, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research is going to recruit engineer, translator and office assistant. So friends, before we begin, I would like to inform you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get various recruitment notifications every day, more specifically all the engineering recruitment notifications ranging from various state governments, central government and all the public sector undertaking organizations. So if you are new here, if you are watching our videos for the first time, then please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any update. And if you are our regular follower, then please share our videos with your friends, with your fellow aspirants, so that they also can get benefit out of those videos. So friends, now coming to the topic, engineer, translator and office assistant recruitment, that has been, this recruitment notification has been published by IISER. So friends, if you look at the first post, that is superintending engineer, number of vacancies only one, and educational qualification is friends first class degree in equivalent grade in engineering in relevant field, that is preferably in civil engineering from a recognized university or institute. Knowledge of computer application like Word, Excel, PowerPoint is also required. Experience friends should have overall experience of 15 years. Desirable experience friends master's degree in construction management, structural engineering, civil engineering or equivalent. And knowledge of computer, that is aided design, CAD design and latest management technologies, other relevant softwares. And friends, minimum 8 years of working experience in central, state government or similar organization, services, semi-government, public sector undertaking, government autonomous organizations, government universities, etc. And friends, age limitation is as on 11 June 2020, 57 years. If you look at the second post, friends, junior translator, number of vacancies only one for this post also. And educational qualification, bachelor's degree of a recognized university in Hindi with English as a compulsory or elective subject or as the medium of examination at the degree level, or bachelor's degree of a recognized university in English with Hindi as a compulsory or elective subject, or bachelor's degree of a recognized university in any subject other than Hindi or English with Hindi medium and English as a compulsory or elective subject or as the medium of examination. And friends, if you look at the other informations, knowledge of computer is also required, and desirable qualification like if you have working experience in central, state government or similar organization, then you will be preferred. And age limitation is 35 years as on 11 June 2020. And the next post is office assistant, number of vacancies only one for this post also. And educational qualification, bachelor's degree and office application, computer office applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint is also required. And in the category of experience, 2 years of relevant field relevant experience in handling office works and equipment. Knowledge of computer application is also required. Experience in secretarial work, establishment, finance, accounts, stores and purchase is also required. And in the category and desirable qualification, friends, master's degree in any discipline, shorthand in English and Hindi is required. Working experience in central, state government or similar organization will be preferred. And if you look at the maximum age limitation, friends, 30 years as on 11 June 2020. And friends, upper age relaxation will be applicable as per government norms, that is 5 years for SC/ST category of candidates, 3 years for OBC category of candidates and 10 years for physically challenged category of candidates. And friends, procedure of application, and this is the website by following which you can get each and every information regarding this recruitment notification. And friends, you can follow the link that has been provided in the description box of our channel. By following that link, you can download the PDF copy wherefrom you can get each and every information, as well as if you are already there in our Telegram channel, then you can download the PDF copy from that Telegram channel as well. And friends, if you look at the application fee, rupees 500 you have to pay as application fee. And for SC/ST, physically challenged category of candidates, women's and transgender category of candidates, no application fee is required. And friends, all other informations are there. And let me inform you one of the most important information regarding this, that the online printout copy you have to send by post, and you have to superscribe at the top that you are applying for which post, that is application for the post of. And then friends, you have to send the application to a particular address. The address you can get from the description box of this video itself, as well as the address is available here also. You can see this is the address, recruitment cell, room number 2205, so on and so forth. So friends, this was all about this recruitment notification, and let me inform you some important dates. The application will start, application procedure, online application procedure will start from 22nd May 2020. So that means the online application procedure has not yet been started, and it will continue till 11th June 2020. So friends, this was all about this recruitment notification. If you would like to get this kind of recruitment notification every day, then please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching as always. Have a nice day.